Nikes are shot, so I'm pretty excited to check out these shoes because if they're as half as good as the yoga pants, then we are all in luck. Okay, so I ordered a size 7. And I didn't order the running shoes because I don't run. I don't know about you, but I'll have these aspirations to run and then I don't. The type of workouts that I do is I do yoga stretches and then I do cross training exercises. So these look very cute, but it doesn't matter how they look. It's about how they feel when you walk in them. So let's try that out. Got on my Lululemon socks. Let's see how it just fits. Ooh, foot slides in. It feels pretty nice. I like that it's nice and narrow right here. Kind of hugs your foot. You feel good. Size 7 fits me pretty good. It almost feels a little loose, but we'll see. That's how they look on. So let's do the real test and do a pop Pilates workout. Just finished my workout in my new Lululemon shoes. They felt fantastico, so I'm gonna keep them. I'm really excited and I will report back on how they last long term.